The 2026 Iveco S-Way represents a considerable evolution in long-haul vehicle engineering, with significant enhancements to fuel efficiency, aerodynamics, and driver-centric features. Independent testing by TÜV SÜD verifies a more than 10% reduction in fuel consumption, achieved through a combination of powertrain refinements, including the improved XCursor 13 engine, and aerodynamic upgrades that cut drag by approximately 13.5%. These advances place the S-Way in direct competition with the most efficient heavy-duty trucks on the European market, reinforcing Iveco's commitment to sustainability and operational cost-effectiveness. From a driver's perspective, the cabin redesign offers a marked improvement in ergonomics and comfort. Noteworthy enhancements include a lowered cabin floor for easier access, a more intuitively arranged dashboard featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, and a multifunction steering wheel. The integration of advanced driver assistance systems, such as mirrorcams and adaptive cruise control, not only enhances safety, but also contributes to the truck's streamlined profile. Furthermore, the inclusion of the Driver Pal voice assistant, developed in collaboration with Amazon Alexa, signals a shift towards more intelligent, connected driving experiences. Operationally, fleet managers and drivers across various European markets report improved torque performance, reduced cabin noise, and better AdBlue efficiency, particularly in units equipped with the Cursor 11 engine. The S-Way's extended maintenance intervals, now up to 75,000 kilometers, and enhanced safety systems, including lane keeping assist and predictive braking, further bolster its appeal for long-haul operations. While the mirrorcam system has received some criticism for its learning curve and occasional blind spots, the broader consensus acknowledges the S-Way as a technologically advanced and economically sound option for modern logistics fleets.